car door. Bye. Amping. Close the car door.
Why?
You might hit the car. Another car.
My papa, you didn't know my papa still remember me.
What did your papa say?
My papa said, come there. My papa still remember me. I did not know.
Really?
Yeah. My papa said that my dresses was so cool.
Mm.
You can already get out the car.
I'm just really, I'm still eating.
Or that's so yummy. That's why you're still eating.
Mm.
Bruh. And you're still hungry.
Yeah.
What if a beggar? What if we're staying
Come
here?
here, come here.
Bruh. Is that chicken? Yummy.
Good. You like it?
Mm.
Just swallow. Do you think that lady is pretty?
No.
Why not?
She's ugly.
But she is tall.
I was thinking that lady is pretty,
Mm.
but I was thinking that lady is ugly.
Mm. I thought you were gonna tell me she's pretty to me. Who's pretty to you? Matt, who's pretty to you? Huh? Can you tell me who's pretty to you?
No.
Why not? Now, who's pretty? Who do you think is pretty?
No.
Oh my god.
That's your fault?
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, can you please pick it up
It's your-
before that? Oh, here.
No, I'm full. That chicken was spicy, bro.
Yeah, I'm sorry, it is spicy. Thank you.
Okay. I think my papa.
Oh, she's back. Oh, the lady's back. You don't think she's pretty?
Yeah.
So who do you think's pretty for you?